the evil twin of the Eureka thrust. This is called a Phoenix thrust. Again, this is when the market makes a very strong negative breadth day. We're still looking at NYSE advancing issues versus declining and the up-down volume. Now, there's a whole bunch of formulas here. If we wanted to simplify this, a Phoenix thrust is 90% declining issues on a day and 90% down volume. Will yield more signals in the market. Phoenix thrust usually happens at the end of a pullback or a correction, but not always, but it usually is towards the washout of a correction when we get a lot of declining issues and we wash down. This is 2024 where we got some of these. This is the August Japanese yen trade. This is the Phoenix thrust that happened right here at the bottom as we reversed follow-through day with some Eureka thrusts. And you can see that the market had a run all the way to the end of 2024. But you'll notice right here a very, very bad day in mid-December. This was the Fed day that really changed the tone of the market. And you can see for the next 2 months, the market chopped in a very, really choppy, volatile way for 2 months. But this Phoenix thrust was telling us that advancing issues and declining issues were really showing us that something was not right under the hood relative to market breadth. As I mentioned, these typically happen near the end of pullbacks and corrections. Here's 2025. This is the tariff meltdown. And you can see here, right there is a Phoenix thrust where things washed right down. The very next day, we got a reversal day at the bottom and eventually a follow-through day came. You can see as we rallied, we did have another Phoenix thrust that said maybe this was not going to pause for a little bit, but it didn't pause long. The rally continued, and then we moved all the way up here until about July of 2025.
Join RainKingInsights.com for more educational content and trade ideas.